Personal and casual questions. May jowa ka na ba? Do you have boyfriend or girlfriend? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Where do you work? Anong trabaho mo? What is your work or what is your job? Single ka pa? Are you still single? Anong kurso mo dati? What was your course before? Bunso ka ba? Are you the youngest? Saan ka madalas tumambay? Where do you usually hang out? Ano ang kinaayawan mo? What is your pet peeve? Bakit ganyan ka manamit? Why do you wear clothes like that? Ano ang madalas mong ginagawa? What do you usually do? Matalino ka ba? Are you smart? Nag-aaral ka pa ba? Are you still studying? Araw-araw ka bang naliligo? Do you take a bath every day? Sino ang kasama mo sa bahay? Who are you with at home? Marami ka bang kaibigan? Do you have a lot of friends? Gaano ka katangkad? How tall are you? Family and relationships. Saan mo ako nakita? Where did you see me? Marunong ka bang magluto? Do you know how to cook? Bakit kilala mo ako? Why do you know me? Ilang buwan na kayong magjowa? How long have you been together? Kumusta ang mga anak mo? How are your kids? May mga kapatid ka ba? Do you have siblings? Paano kayo nagkakilala? How did you two meet? Malapit ka ba sa pamilya mo? Are you close to your family? May pamangkin ka na? Do you have nieces or nephews? Ano ang pangalan ng asawa mo? What's your spouse's name? Madalas kayong lumabas? Do you go out often? Strikto ba ang magulang mo? Are your parents strict? Buhay pa ba ang lolo at lola mo? Are your grandparents still alive? Masaya ka ba sa piling niya? Are you happy with her or him? Sino ang madalas mag-aya sa labas? Who often ask for a date? Ilan ang edad mo noong nagpakasal ka? How old are you when you get married? Malaki ba ang pamilya mo? Do you have big family? Ilan ang gusto mong anak? How many children do you want? Masaya ba ang may asawa? Are you happy being married? May plano ka bang umalis? Do you have plans to leave? Sino ang madalas mong kausap sa bahay? Who do you often talk to at home? Hindi ka ba nagsisisi sa pinili mong pamilya? Don't you regret the family you have chosen?